DJ, I didn't worry you.
No,
I didn't worry you.
I send you.
Look at your neighbor and say, yeah, daddy. Hey, yo. Today, the English. What you study, man? DJ, you got Uniben, make some noise! See, today, we want to teach the whiskey that to dress. You have found the tear cloth with tear cloth. What they do? They do the tear cloth with tear cloth. They put spike for shoe. We put spiky. Who said that? No, you guys should. You saw there's a student when they try you, and you know say this day school not be school again. School na hotel. School na hotel. School not be school. Those days when we did school, Abraka. I mean do show. We don't drive all of them come off here. But now school don't change. Girls they stay with their boyfriend permanently. They're not the cool. You understand? This is school. Girls the friend girls that every day they happy. So I actually my girl. Not the craze.
Hello, mommy, I'll call you back.
And when I never notice, Uniben, federal schools. You know the school get grade.
I think it's high school with the.
They do show you the take off. You palm your hair for show, palm me. Not the take off for show. When they squeeze you last. That's why you see get when they never squeeze, you go no. That's why some girls they tell their boyfriend, baby, when will you smudge me? When they tell the boy like that, so worry boys will be fool. If you be soft, get a friend worry boy. When you tell her that kind of thing, the boy will be shocked. Say, they remote you. When will I smush you? That question. Not when they day body. When I don't drink, I go smush you. And you know, say for guy with a friend girl, you don't need to get drunk to they show your love. You know, some men they don't have to perform only when they don't drink. You not be like us. Who say, you know me before? I be cool, no. You want drinker? You see some men get ready to they play love. Their relationship they last. You get some women, you don't need to tell them too many things. They will just come like that, you know understand? So now they come, and so they bond them. Those kind of girls, you know they need to befriend them. You know what you need to do? On film for them, buy instrument, give them, maybe they walk down. Then you show later. But some guys, they don't need, just lick their ear. You hear the guy? Let me stop now. Which guy level with this time? The guys, they call big fool. All those kind of boys. But you get some guy, hard guy, not get what you tell them. Some guys not the emotional. Some guys. Now why you dey back now? Fool. Like me. You dey proud say you not the emotional. Yeah, daddy. No. Some guys not the emotional. I like men that are soft. Men will be say if your girl hurts you will cry.
For waiting.
Wait, when I say if your girl hurts you, this was say for so you be boys since I dey wait. No, some men do like that. They know they cry. When I dey campus, my girl hurts me. See me now, very emotional. In short, where you were as you did there, swear. Tell me, say I'm not too weak. Tell me. It's well. I'm not doing it. I beg, God forbid. I don't want friend boy now you. Talk to me. Tell me in their voice. I'm not giving the mic fast. When you talk at me now, because you don't really do it again, no.
Bros, now I'll be like person, you might give this one.
Give her mic, you see the guy there, we go give way to you. You want me to go to come go to get feelings for me? Oh yeah? Talk. Who be this?
From the beginning now.
You borrow face.
Give this one.
That's a state of October. How they do like that, baby?
Okay, boss, this one.
Give us a.
No, this was.
Give me with your red cap.
It's over,
Ushbebe. We don't really know how to do it again. I don't know. I don't know.
Oh, sir.
We can't go with that. It's a man. It really not over. Then you know say Nigerian police, they're foolish. For those of us who say they born us from abroad, we can British, you understand? Not British. Not British. Everyone now London. You're British, isn't it? I mean, you're British. My brother, and then they call me, I'm too soft. So as a British boy, just the British police, when they want cash person with the drive speed, as the person they speed, if the kilometer to drive is probably 30 and the person is driving 31, immediately the police will cover you. Over. Then you come back your car, you come, sir, just step behind the vehicle. Then you see the guy, bastard. Then they will go for Nigeria. As you drive speed past police, boy, you will see the police. Oh boy, that mess this oh. Bad car was see the speed. It was the fire. Over that car. Police are not the calculate speedometer for you. They hey, crime. You know what understand? That why Nigeria was different. And the first time I went to London, yeah? Yeah, dad. I'm gonna kill when I would like to know now. The first time I went to London, see what happened. I was with a lady, they call them GP, they are doctors, you know. And some woman came in and she said, "Doctor, my child is suffering from schizophrenia." I said, "Give me 2. They said that disease, I said, "Be like biscuit, give me 2. They said, "No, here their diseases are very terrible, but the names sound very fine." They called another disease, they said leukemia. I said, "I want." They said, "It's cancer." I said, "Chichos." What kind of disease they be like this? I come Nigeria, our disease, they come 2 with energy and strength. Lapa, Jedi, Kro, Kwasoko, Sweetie, when I know Sweetie, what do people Sweetie? Jiga, that's what Nigerian disease be. Then the other one, Nigerian girls are they like when they play. For a relationship, when they use mess, they attack on a boyfriend, and that's true love. Baby, I will mess for you. No, true love. But you get some girls, they're the friend guy, and the friend and pay. They're not a mess for that reason. If your girl never mess for you, she's keeping secret. Sister, if your girl never mess for you, she dey keep secret. Tonight you need to talk to her heart and say, "Baby, mess for me." Yeah, daddy. Alright, we don't have much time. My name is Ushbebe and Uniben. I love you guys. Ice.
Hey, bros. No verse first. Wait first. I just do my vote of thanks. As I do my vote of thanks, we'll take on to the next level. You know what I mean, man?
I just allow you to do that shit, bro.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, very
Wait, where's my sister? If we're where you there? You know what collect money have me. They get to so good.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, very seriously, I want to say a big thank you to everybody that came up for me tonight. Shout out to my Rivera goons, shout out to my goons, shout out to my Uniben brothers. Ladies and gentlemen, shout out to Easy 100% Premium CV Buyers. Ladies and gentlemen, Cry Wolf Media, Uniben Soy, Uniben Metro, Asafel Pitom, all of you that supported the Brown. Ladies and gentlemen, just so you know, the Ashawo managers. If your baby lose God, they go manager. Ladies and gentlemen,
come on for your Pamika.
Just wait that I'm show me this. We make a young mother and first before you mother and
Cool it. You don't really pay for the show. Go more complete what goes start. Ladies and gentlemen, now.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, just so you know, Ush wait first.
You still a great.
I never finish it.
It's long now. That means the time not the. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, just so you know, the best manager I've ever seen, the best managers I've ever seen in Benin City. Ladies and gentlemen, I was just an MC when I got to Joker, but these guys rebranded my hype life. They took me to Lagos, took me to many interviews. They make me the super hype MC I am today. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm coming back. They made me the official hype MC of Club Joker. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Engineer Kewe and Mr. Kat.
Somebody, try to make you all the girls see gun body. It's that message you bad to somebody. Try to make you all the girls see gun body. It's that message you bad to somebody. Try to make you all the girls see gun body. It's that message you fool like Mr. Bean. I like KFC girls, not Mr. Biggs. Calm down, see, no they rush, baby. Your friend is still with the Ushbebe. Wait, why these girls need they rush, baby? Your friend is still with the Ushbebe. Wait, why these girls need they rush, baby? Your friend is still with the Ushbebe. Wait, why these girls need they rush, baby? Your friend is still with the Ushbebe.
Okay, DJ, hold on, DJ, crazy. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, just so you know, immediately after this event, all road lead to Club Joker for the after party. Ladies and gentlemen, the after party is going to be at Joker, Benin City. All the celebrities that came here tonight are going to be live in the building. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Bros. Carry the show.
Ladies and gentlemen, I personally made sure this young man come for this show because he's something very, very great. We call him the South. The South. The South. If you